It's March 4th, 2022. So there I got a call from a guy. He's got a gas furnace, he said, and the pilot won't stay on, but it's got a power vent. He says the power vent is not running, so it might be the power vent issue. I'm not sure. He said he tried to relight the pilot, but it won't stay on.
Then take the first left.
A lot of times there's rollout switches that are hooked into that thing, and it will shut it off. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with this thing.
Stay low.
I was over there for something else last time. Who knows? Some of the shit I work on is just terrible, nasty, crazy stuff. Some of the stuff I work on. You tried to light the pilot, you couldn't do it?
It was light, but not stay on.
Alright. Got the power off to it, so let's see. So, this thing. How cold is it in the house?
Not hot.
Not hot, no. Looks like the thermocouple might have dropped down a little bit there. Well, you were playing with it anyway, you said, right?
Just a little.
Just a little. Probably more like a lot, right?
I mean, no, not just kind of opened it and tried to light it.
Okay. Let's see if I can get that thing out of there. One of those days where the phone keeps ringing. Last guy just started ringing me like 5 times in a row. He gets blocked really quick. Instead of leaving a message, they call 10 times in a row. Yeah. Guess what? Blocked. Don't need that shit. I mean, leave a message, right?
Yeah.
Times in a row, try calling, take someone to pick up. After the 4th, 5th time, no good. Seems a little weird coming out of there. It almost seems like it's. Somebody's played with this thing before. Yeah. Did you put a new thermocouple in here?
No.
Looks like it might have just dropped down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it might be a little chooched. We'll put a new one in there and try it. The old aluminum setup there. My favorite kind. I'll show you a little trick. I'll show you a little trick. That's gonna go in here. That's gonna go in there like that. And put this down in there. This down on the chooch. All the way down. And we could wrap this around this way so it don't fall off, see? Yeah. So, It's a little weird.
This is our first winter in the house, so I haven't.
It is?
Yeah, I haven't messed around with this at all.
It's your first winter?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want it cold, huh?
Yeah.
Not the first winter. Alright, tighten that up. That's better. Get that in there all the way. This way it won't drop down. Sometimes you gotta improvise on this shit, you know?
Yeah.
No work today?
No, I just had a half day.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with a half a day. Shit. That's kind of like them myself, to be honest with you.
Maybe this is your last job for the day?
Almost. It's open, but phone keeps ringing.
Hold out.
What's the problem? It keeps ringing. You don't want to leave the people hanging, right?
That's right.
Can't leave them hanging for too long.
I appreciate you coming so fast.
Hopefully this is all it is just a thermocouple. Hopefully. We'll find out. So, I got the I should be able to light it now. I got the power off to this thing, so see if it stays on. If it stays on, we can put this door back and she should fire.
Cool.
Hopefully. That other one was a little melty on the end there. Plus it seemed like it might have dropped. Let's see if it stays on. Yep, staying on.
Alright.
That's a good sign.
So will the power venter shut off now?
Oh, the power's, you should get the power off to it, so that's probably why the power venter's not running. I have no idea about the power venter shutting off. I just got here. Let's see if we can get the heat working.
Alright.
What was happening before? The power venter would never shut off?
Well,
It's got to run.
it was fine until today when the pilot light.
Well, it's because it's calling for heat. It's calling when long as it's calling for heat, it's going to want to run. So that's probably
I
why.
see.
Once the house gets warm, it'll shut off on a delay.
Gotcha.
It should. It should.
I think all the thermostats are off.
Well, go turn them on.
You want me to do it now?
Yeah, you want heat, right?
I didn't know. If you
Turn them all up.
Alright.
Hook this roll-out switch back up, and then we can turn the power on. She should fire. Turn them all up. You want heat. Alright, we got the roll-out switch on there. Turn this to on. And then we should be able to. It should shut and then open. He's gonna turn up. There's all. He's gonna turn them up. Takes a minute and a half for all them zones to come on, but it should fire. They got zone valves, so takes a little bit for that to come on. 90 seconds. Oh, Oh, it takes 90 seconds for it to come on. Give it a minute. You turned them all up?
Yeah.
Alright, give it a minute. Pilot's still on, that's good sign. Well, there goes the power venter. In Houston, we have ignition. Alright, last time I was here, I cleaned out power venter vacuum tube, inserted it for better vacuum. Yeah, that's something that was really queer the way that was set up.
Yeah. You know one thing I just noticed?
What?
You know, that's some dripping. You see that?
Yeah, I could put a cap on that.
You know what?
This is yours. You gotta have heat now. I could put a cap on that. Let me get a cap for it. I can get a cap for it. Okay, so replace thermocouple, relit pilot, and fired up boiler. We did tighten up you could tighten it up with a wrench. It's not dripping no more. New Yorker.